All right, babe, open your eyes.
Oh my gosh.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Just Like Me channel. In today's video, we're gonna be taking the wife's F-150. I know you're looking at all these boxes and you're like, oh my gosh, literally everything. Yes, everything. Fog lights, high beam, low beam, reverse, turn signal. I believe this is a combo package is what it's called on their website. Throw it up on the screen. This comes with everything that you need to fully convert your F-150 over to LED. So we're gonna go ahead and install this full kit in this video, and then whenever it gets dark outside tonight, we'll show you guys how bright they are. So this is gonna be kind of a little late Mother's Day gift to the wife. I think she's gonna love it, being able to see at nighttime a lot better. Let's go. So as you all just seen, we've got all of the boxes right here. We're gonna go ahead and open everything up, except for these. I probably won't open these until we actually go to install them, but we're gonna go ahead and open up these boxes and check out these bulbs right quick. But these are probably the reverse lights, and then these are some switchback turn signals, I believe. H8/11 9005. So we're gonna go ahead and open these up. Huge props to Lasfit on the packaging. Each bulb set comes with 2 stickers, and the packaging is super awesome. Here is the bulbs. So we've got fog lights, high beams, and low beams. And then the rest of these bulbs are just miscellaneous bulbs all around the truck. So this is by no means gonna be a how-to install video, but you can take some information away from it. There's a couple bolts on the inside right here, and then this whole lower body panel will come off right here that connects to the bottom of the headlight. This whole piece right here will come off, and that is all accessed from removing some bolts right in here. And then that's how we're gonna pull the headlight out. We've got some bolts that hold the headlight on up here, and then just some push pins up here at the top. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the headlights, swap these bulbs out, and check them out. And then as far as the fog lights goes, we're gonna lay down on our back underneath the truck, and we'll be able to reach these fog lights up under here. Here's a little comparison for the Lasfit LEDs compared to the stock ones. So you can see they're machined aluminum. A lot nicer, big LED chips. The seal gasket is super good quality. Some of the cheaper LEDs that I've used have had a poor quality gasket. I'm gonna cover up the name on these, but these were super flickery and they would go in and out sometimes. So I'm really excited to get rid of these. I did have these in the truck. Not to mention I had to warranty these. Hopefully I have really good luck out of the Lasfit ones and I don't have to do any warranty work. I warrantied these maybe even twice, but I had both of these bulbs go out and had to warranty them in like a month. So I'm pumped to have the Lasfit ones in there and put them in, not have to worry about them. There are little rubber caps that fit in here, and the other ones that I had wouldn't allow that cap to fit on properly. They were like size too large, and the plug was like kind of bent in the way. I love how these have like a little cord on them with the plug, and then you can just tuck it down in there, and that allows this cap to fit on there perfectly. Not only that, but look how loose this one is. The whole bulb just moves. The Lasfit one doesn't move at all. I'm literally moving the entire headlight. So super tight fit. That seals really, really good. Very happy with the fitment of the Lasfit LEDs. Fitment on this one, beautiful as well. You can see how much tighter that is. Cap fits on nicely. Oh, that's a good feeling. I'm sure some of you all can relate to this. You've put in some aftermarket LED bulbs and the fitment is just wobbly. You don't feel like it's sealing quite right. These Lasfit ones are fitting perfectly, so that's a really good feeling. All right, I'm not gonna bore you guys to death with swapping headlights, but we're gonna go ahead and swap the high beam and the low beam on the other side as well and get this thing back together, and then we will move on to the other bulbs. I can't believe I just now forgot that, but I forgot to show you guys the super sweet switchback turn signal bulbs. So whenever these bulbs are on, they're white, and then whenever you hit the turn signal, look how bright those are. Well, of course they turn off whenever I say that. Whenever you hit the turn signal, they flash orange. So let me show you that. So let me turn on the parking lights. And as you can see right there, and this is literally in the daylight, look how bright that light is. Hit the turn signal. Right now it's white. Hit the turn signal and it blinks orange. That is so sweet. So then that matches the mirror light, and then whenever we turn the turn signal off, it just stays white. And I like how these don't switch back and forth. It just has orange LEDs that blink. So it's still white, but then it also has orange LEDs. Look how bright those are. Holy cow. Okay, so we've got the fog lights switched over. Those were super easy, just lay underneath the truck and switched over. I'm gonna put the truck in reverse now, and we're gonna check out these reverse lights. Wow, look how bright these things are. This is literally in broad daylight. These things are beaming. So we've got some tinted tail lights on the truck, so these brighter reverse lights are gonna be absolutely awesome. Dude, they are so bright. That's gonna be so awesome at nighttime, especially with the tinted tail lights. Super easy to swap these out. 2 bolts back here, zip them right out, and then just pull the tail light. So that's super awesome. Everything fit and had a great finish on it, and I cannot wait to see how bright these are at nighttime because they are beaming bright during the daytime. So the only things that we're not going to be able to install is, it looks like these came with some cargo lights and some license plate lights. I don't have the OEM license plate lights in the truck. I had already switched over to some that just have an LED motherboard. I wish I did. I'm going to get some of those on order because one of my license plate lights is already out. So I'm going to get some of just like the OEM housings on order, and then I'll be able to put these Lasfit bulbs in them. Same thing goes for the cargo lights. After I smoked the tail lights, I purchased a LED third brake light. It's not really super bright, so I wish that I had just smoked the factory one, but I don't have it anymore either. So I will probably end up ordering a factory third brake light so I can put those Lasfit LEDs in it and then smoke it. And then I'll probably end up ordering the factory license plate pieces as well that those Lasfit bulbs would go into. But you won't have this problem on your truck as long as you have, you know, the factory pieces that actually take a bulb. The license plate lights in this truck don't take a bulb. It just was like a whole replacement housing. And for whatever reason, I didn't keep the stock thing. I don't think. Actually, let me check this spot in the garage and see if I did. So I just now checked in the garage and I did find the factory third brake light. So I'll have to get this thing smoked, and then what will go in here is some of these bulbs right here. I was looking on the website. So I believe it's going to be that right there. Center high mount stoplight red. Say this one is red. Yeah, it says 15R. So I would say that one's red and this one just says 15. So I'd say this one is white. I'm not going to put those on in this video because I don't have time to smoke this right now, and I want to get this video uploaded. But I will be doing that in the future, and we're also working with Lasfit, I believe, on some future projects. So stay tuned to the YouTube channel to check out future videos that we're bringing you with the Lasfit products. I've had nothing but good luck out of them so far. Actually, in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys one other product that they sent me that is absolutely awesome. So a little bonus showcase, these Lasfit floor liners. Look how nasty and dirty they are. Look how conformed. I've had these in here forever. Let me pull the key. I've had these in here for a while. The wife abuses it. It gets used as a truck. We've been playing with some RC cars lately, and the truck stays pretty dirty in the floor area, and these Lasfit liners, they clean up like brand new. Anytime that we ever detail the inside of the truck, you can soak these down with some cleaner, pressure wash them, and they look brand new again. We've got the matching one in the rear. This is the Lasfit liner, and you can pick those up on their website, and the Hawk15 discount code will work for the floor liners as well. So again, huge shout out to Lasfit for giving my subscribers a discount code and sending out some awesome products that they told me to just review and just, you know, give honest feedback of. And so far, all of their products have been absolutely amazing. With that being said, guys, I'm gonna see you all here in just a flash, and it's gonna be nighttime outside, and we'll see how bright all of these lights are that we just got installed. Also, for anyone with an F-150 that is watching this video, just a little future video for you all that we got coming, so hit that subscribe button down below. We've got a Tesla style radio from Linkswell. We're gonna be doing a full install video on this. It's a huge 12.1 inch display, full Android system, has all the climate control buttons and everything. I've opened it up and looked at it. It looks really sick. This truck currently has the Sync 3, so instead of the radio just being like that, the radio is gonna go like all the way down to down there. It's gonna have a huge display right in the middle. So stay tuned for that video, hit that subscribe button, and now let's teleport to when it's dark outside and we can see how bright these lights are. All right, so we're not too far from the house. I've made Vanessa have her face covered, eyes closed, because I wanted to go to kind of like a darker road, just right down the road, and get her first reaction seeing the headlights on at nighttime on camera. So we're gonna turn right here. As you can see, dude, this is nuts. I cannot wait to get her reaction. So we're gonna go down this road right here. Look at this. All right, babe, open your eyes.
Oh my gosh.
Look at it.
It is so much brighter and like more widespread than what it was before. Like a lot brighter.
You can just tell, and like if I put camera out the window, like look how bright this is. And that's on low beam. So here's the proof that that's on low beam. It literally, it lights up signs like way down there. Look how far it shines all the way down there to that mountain. With the fog lights on, let me show you without the fog lights. I don't know if you'll be able to tell. Oh yeah, you actually can. Wow, look how bright the fog lights are, babe. The fog lights really make a big difference. And then let me try to do high beams. So you can see like it lights stuff up like way further away, but they are true high beams and they really beam the light like super far. The other ones did not do that at all. Crazy bright. And this is low beam. And in person, all of the colors match for sure. You want to check out the reverse lights? All right, let's go check them out. So now we're going to check out the reverse lights. Let's see, I should be able to put the parking brake on. The parking brake should hold it. Oh yeah, those are a lot brighter. And that's with tinted tail lights, and it's still that bright. That's with tinted tail lights. That's a lot brighter, babe.
Yeah, it is. That's awesome.
All right, guys, so that's gonna be all for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. These headlights, fog lights, and all the other LED bulbs are definitely Just Knox Smith approved.
Thank you, Lasfit. You're awesome.
And we will see you all in the next video. Always remember, everybody starts out as nobody. Peace. Peace. Good job, Brett. See y'all.